Hello, in this video I have made a profits of $2,000. But my loss was also done because it was taking the multiply trading. So how much profit and how much loss happened? I will tell everything, and I saw that there is a wrong condition in the strategy of our 5 seconds, and if that time does not work, then let's understand everything. So look carefully to the video to the last. As we know, take a trade exact 25 seconds of the candle and it works, but sometimes happens loss. We will say why and how to avoid it. If the candle move high distance within first 5 seconds, then it happens pullback and we lose. But I want to share that why we can't wait for the next good confirmation. We decreased your so much time, so you have to wait for the good confirmation. Let's see how we grow the balance. If you have not seen our first video, then its link will be found in the description. Only then will you be able to understand here. Whenever the candle moves so much in the first 5 seconds, don't take the trade and look for a good entry. If you want to play on this broker, then the link will be found in the description. You can play for free with demo $10,000. Here's an example of why you shouldn't trade. This candle has come down more in 5 seconds, so here is pullback happens. Then when to take the trade? Let me explain. This is the best and most accurate trade. So I guarantee you that you will find this type of trade in 1 minute, at least 2 to 5 signals. So you shouldn't blame the strategy, yes, no? Let's see what happens next. You can try this strategy any market, whether OTC or without OTC, but always play with returns ranging from 85% to 92%. Earlier I had set a target of making $50 to $2,000 profit. I lost $500 for that. Once the journey from $50 to $1,000 was completed, but after that there was a loss. So this time start with $100, and now is the time to take a trade of $1,000. I have never taken direct $2,000 trades till now. Let's see what happens. This time the candle was in the green for 5 seconds, so the trade was taken in the upward direction. Well, it was in the red at the same time the trade was taken, and look, we won the trade. So now minus all the loss, we are left with $1,500 profits, and I did it in just 2 days. Also, I made some profits with you on Telegram. Haven't joined yet? The link is in the description. You can try our signal for free. So see you in the next video. Till then, your trading journey will be good and you will be happy always. So see you in the next video. Happy trading, be happy.